Hi, it's Donna Barr Media Services. Welcome back to another 5 minutes. And in this video, we are going to create our static page. I'm first going to show you the difference between a page and a post. If we go to our main site, you can see that this is actually a post. You wouldn't know the difference between a page and a post usually, but what will happen if you keep adding posts, more and more will build up underneath this one. What we want is a page that's going to stay the same all the time. So we'll have a look here at all the posts that are there, and what came with it was the hello world that we see over here. Wrong side. There we go. So in a minute we're going to change that. I'm going to go to the pages, and of course a static page is a page that doesn't move. It's always there, and here we have a static page called About, and at some point we are going to edit it, put my client's information in there, and they give an idea of what you should put into there. But what we want to do over here is add a new page, and the page we're going to create right now is the one we will set as our home page, our main page, and that's why I'm going to call it Prince Albert Errand Services, even though that's the basically the logo the text logo we've set up. I want that to be there too. And I did copy and paste some text. I even copied and pasted a photo. Now I was going to change that photo, but you can see what I've got right there. And I will simply publish that. I'll probably change it around, but for simplicity and for time. And now we are going to go into Appearance to Customize, and that is where we can go in and tell it to display the static page. So we're going to do that, and then it's going to say, well, a static page, which one? And we will tell it the one we just created. And now look what happens. So you can see, because of this title and this in here, we're going to have to edit it to make it make sense, but we'll save and publish for the moment. Okay, so what I can do is I can take it out of here. We're back in the editing screen. And you'll notice this editing screen is quite a bit similar to what you would find in any word processor. You notice that we had installed the Twitter feed widget or Twitter feed plugin, and you can add that to any page just by pulling this down. But we aren't going to bother with that right now. Over here, it's also, we can put a booking calendar. Remember, we had installed that plugin as well, but we won't do that right now. For the moment, we will just update this and go on back to our page. We'll refresh it and see what it looks like now. So that is now our home page. Hello World is not the home post anymore. And we will continue to tweak that as we go along. And we will see you in the next video for another 5 minutes.